analyst always considers the facts. He or she will always look at the price movements. He stays away from emotions like greed and panic while taking his decisions. Yes, bank, greed decision. Just because big investors are buying into that, people will start buying. If you ask them, why are you buying? Rakesh bhai bought it. So is there any base for that? Is there any analysis behind that? Or is there only one word behind that? One word. And what is that? Greed. Nothing else. Now the share starts falling. And what do you enter into? Panic. Okay. So if you are a technical analyst, if you are a proper technical analyst, very, 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 very important thing is you should know your price levels very much and you should follow them very strictly. Now, what do I mean by price levels? If I'm talking about a stop loss or if I'm talking about a target price, stop loss and target price should not be anywhere confused between greed and panic. Okay, so I'll give you a simple example. It was election time and at that time I had bought Nifty. Okay, main election time. And everyone was expecting that maybe BJP will come. Not this election, uske pehle wale election ke. Yeah, I'm talking about, I guess, some state election, I guess it was. I was in Delhi at that time. And May mahine mein election hua tha wo. Lok Sabha election only maybe. Yeah. But not this one wherein we got a very clean up right now. But I just remember what happened. First the market went up because everyone was hoping that BJP will win. See, it's not, Modi ji does not take the market up. Huh? He can't manipulate everything. Okay. Right. So, can I say a general emotion plays into picture here? What is the important emotion? A stable government is an important emotion. Okay. Whenever we talk about any stable government, a government which has a vision, if that is coming into play, then is it a positive sign for the market? Yes. Now, what happened was everyone was feeling that, yes, BJP will come up. Oh, yes, I remembered. I guess it was the Karnataka elections because that was a full drama, na? Remember that? And I had played on that drama. And I thought that as everyone was feeling that BJP will definitely make it through. Market went up. Okay. Now, actually, my target price was hit. But then, greed. Aur upar jayega. That's why I didn't sell off. Then it went up to another level. And I said, yes, my understanding was correct. Aur upar jayega. And then what happened? Suddenly news started flowing in that maybe Congress might be in a position to make the government. And that was the time when, so it will go up slowly, steadily. And when it has to come down, it can be like zoop. Many a times you don't even get a chance to exit. Then you try to console yourself that, okay, what I will do is when it goes till here, like this, then I will sell. Pakka. Does it go here? Never. It's fake hope. It's going to crash. Okay. So, very important lesson is that whenever you are taking any position, don't be under the influence of any of the two emotions. Which are the two important emotions which we should stay away from? One is greed and one is panic. This will definitely throw you into a valley of wrong decisions. If you had decided that I'm going to sell at this price, you have to sell at that price. That target price should not be on your mind. It should be in your system. Very important. If you have decided that I have a capacity to bear a loss of, let us say, 5%. If the stock is going up, right, let's say this is the level at which you bought. The stock is going up and it started correcting. And let's say it's here. And you had decided that, yes, 5% is my stop loss. If it hits it, it hits it. Full stop. You have to put the stop loss order in the system, not on your mind. Okay, because the moment it's there in your mind, you will say, let's wait for another 10 minutes. And then you can see in the 10 minutes, it's like this. And say, oh, good, I didn't sell off. And next 5 minutes, it can again start going down. So what is very important? Very important is discipline. It's important in entire walk of life. But discipline, if you don't have in technical analysis, it's going to really have a big burden on your pocket. Okay, so whenever I'm talking about these two emotions, be very careful about this. There should be no greed, no panic. It should be always based on facts. Whether I have, whatever studies I have in my mind, whether it's going in that direction or not. Is the first introduction part absolutely clear? Any doubts in this one? No? Hmm. Hmm. We have to buy unit. No, no, no. So maybe you got confused. Like I talked about buying Nifty. Can I buy a share? Can I buy a share? Yes, one share. Can I buy one share of Reliance Industries? Yes. Can I buy 2 shares of Reliance Industries? Yes. Can I buy 1 point of Nifty? No. Okay, whenever I'm talking about F&O segment, futures and option segment, you have to buy in a lot. Okay. So lot size for Nifty is 75. So if you want to buy Nifty, you buy 75 or you buy nothing. Acha, in multiples bhi ho sakta hai. So it could be 70, 150, 225, 300, so on and so forth. Okay. If I'm talking about even Reliance Industries Limited futures and options, again, that will also have a lot size. Assume that the lot size is 100. Can you buy 100? 200? 300? 251? No. Why? Because the lot size is 100 and multiples of 100. Okay. Right now, am I talking about F&O or am I talking about a normal stock? I'm talking about a normal stock as far as the entire discussion about technical analysis is concerned right now. I'm not talking about F&O market right now. Okay. If you are new to the market, I don't think F&O is a choice for you right now, because F&O will give you such an experience that you might never even feel that I should re-enter the market. F&O is that risky. You can earn a lot also and you can lose the double money. Okay, so unless and until you can stay on the screen full time, don't do F&O. Till then, think about normal stock market investment. Okay, clear? That if I'm talking about Nifty, you can go ahead with lot size buying. And if I'm talking about a normal stock market, you can buy 1, 2, 3, 4. Achha, I'll ask you a simple question. Can I buy 3.5 shares of L&T? No. Why? Because the lot size is 1 in stock market. That is a simple theme. Lot size in stock market is 1. You can buy 1 and you can buy in multiples of 1. Okay, ekdam okay. Yes. No doubt till here. If you have any doubts, you can go on asking. No? Can we move on? Yes. So, we will, if you want, you can see the next lecture also.